Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we are sharing 12 amazing color swirl cake ideas that are fun, bright, and perfect for birthday parties and celebrations. Let's swirl into the magic of colorful cakes. The first is rainbow buttercream swirl cake. Cover the cake in smooth while buttercream, then swirl bright colors like red, yellow, green, and blue using a spatula. Easy and stunning. The next is two-tone swirl cake. A simple cake with just two colors like pink and purple, blue and green, blend softly across the surface of for a clean and bold look. The next is galaxy swirl cake. Dark colors like navy, blue, and black swirl together to create a galactic feel. Add stars and shimmer for a dreamy effect. The next is cotton candy swirl cake. Swirl of soft pastel pink, blue, and white. Frosting make this cake look sweet and light, like cotton candy in cake form. The next is neon swirl cake. Use bright neon on a black or dark base and swirl them with a spatula and plate knife. This one really pops at glow parties. The next is swirl cupcake towers. Mini cupcake with rainbow or dual tone swirl on top. The next is paint swirl cake. A white cake base with colorful paint stroke swirl around the sides. Great for art themed birthdays. The next is ice cream swirl cake. Swirl pastel color like vanilla, strawberries, and mint. Frosting in smooth wave. Add a cone topper for a fun touch. The next is purple passion swirl cake. A rich swirl of lavender, lilac, and violet frosting. Add silver pearls for edible glitter for a magical finish. The next is tropical sunset swirl cake. Swirl yellow, orange, and pink like a warm summer set. Perfect for beach or summer theme parties. The next is inside swirl cake. Not just a cake on the outside. The cake was swirl colors baked into the sponge. Slice it open to reveal the magic. The next is swirl bento cake. Mini bento cake with delight swirl piping in pastel or rainbow tone. Pack them in cute box for gifting. This is perfect for gifting, and those were our 12 color swirl cake ideas. Each one bold, bright, and full of fun. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video and share with your loved ones. Subscribe to Cakes Factory and tap the bell icon so you see fresh cake ideas every day only on Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching and stay colorful, stay beautiful, and stay positive with your loved ones. So your loved ones will always be with you and be happy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next sweet video. For till that, stay blessed and happy. Remember me also. See you. Bye.